Hello and welcome to the Kanawha Valley Hustlers. This is Joe Justice. I am at Up Next Charlie West's First Tuesdays, and I'm here with Aly. Aly, tell me, what's your hustle?
I am an insurance agent with Morris Insurance Services. We do property and casualty and life.
All right, so talk to me just a little bit about, do you live here in Charleston, or is this the area that you grew up in? Tell me a little bit about yourself.
I grew up in Milton, Milton native most of my life. Live in Hurricane now, about 10 minutes from the office. Pretty easy commute, can't complain.
All right. Talk to me a little about the insurance industry. How are things going these days?
Pretty good. Things fluctuate up and down. Our primary carrier is Erie. Erie is fantastic. Most of you guys know we had massive hailstorms in the area recently. I have heard so many people say that Erie's claim service during that was phenomenal. Super proud of them to have them as our main carrier, but we do offer probably at least 5 or 10 others between home and auto. So if you guys need any home, auto, or life, please give us a call.
Talk to me a little bit about we have had a couple of years of some challenging weather. What's that been like?
We went through a couple years ago, those tornadoes, big windstorms. That was a little bit rough. I actually had an emergency appendectomy the week before the hailstorm hit, so I came back into the office. First day back was the hailstorm. Erie banded together, called the catastrophe teams. I think all things considered, we handled it super well. It was definitely rough for the agents, but I don't think most of our customers felt a lot of the pain points in it.
Great. Now, when it comes to hustlers, I know that insurance agents are some of the biggest hustlers around. So tell me a little bit about what's your day-to-day like? What's it like being an insurance agent?
I meet a lot of great people. Our clients are phenomenal. We have a lot of people that we've had for 5, 10, even 20 years that policy servicing through the day. It's great just to get to talk to everybody, meet all of our clients. We get to be with you guys through new cars. You have a kid, you get a minivan, we get to add it. We get to know you, which I think is great. I'm a people person. Get a new home, we get to add that for you. But that's most of my day is writing new policies, servicing old, and I just kind of get to keep up with you guys as your life changes. I kind of get to go through it with you, which I really love. I love to hear about your day.
That's great. And so we're here at Haggie's Irish Pie Pub for part of Up Next Charlie West. Now, talk to me a little bit as we're kind of wrapping up here. How important is it to get out and do networking and meet with other business people?
It is super important. You would be amazed how many clients I talk to through the day who mention the needs they have, and they're like, I'm not sure who to go to. I'm not sure where to start with this, and I get to kind of advise from there. Have friends in car sales. I have friends in pet grooming. I have friends in accounting. So any need you have, it's great for me to be able to say, hey, I know somebody who might be able to help you with this need, and refer them to somebody that I know a little bit on a personal level and I know is going to be able to take care of them.
Yeah, and that's a big deal. Having those connections and knowing, hey, you need somebody that, needs a dog groomer. Hey, I know somebody that's a dog groomer. That's a big deal, right?
I like to be able to tell them, I know this person, I've met this person. I can even give them a little bit of background. So my car salesman, I can say, hey, he knows a lot about what he's talking about. When I had this rental during the hailstorm, I had to call Will and say, I have no idea how to use this rental they gave me. It's a 25 RAV4. And he totally walked me through this process, and that's what he does with his clients. So now when I have somebody shopping for a new car, I can say, hey, here's who you should go to, because
he actually knows what he's talking about.
Yes, he's not just going to say, hey, here's the points on the sales sheet they gave me. He's going to sit down with you in the car and say, hey, this is what you need. This is what your car is going to do. Here's how I can help you. And it's the same with everybody that I've met, in the networking events, is I know who's going to be a good fit for my clients, so I don't have to worry about referring them out. I know the people that I'm sending them to.
Right. And it's funny when you think about it, that's kind of like what Google reviews is. It's just like a little version of, I trust this person because it's public and everything, right?
Yes, I get to be an in-person Google review, and I love that.
Great. Aly, thank you so much for joining us here today. Thank you for watching and listening. This is Joe Justice, the Kanawha Valley Hustler, reminding you to hustle hard, hustle smart, and hustle with a smile.